Hello friends, good morning to all of us. So today's lecture is fertilization. How to takes place fertilization म्हणजे काय हे आपण या lectureमध्ये शिकणार आहोत. Okay. So in this fertilization, you can see what is meant by fertilization. Definition of fertilization means fertilization is the union of male and female gametes. Okay. ज्यावेळेस मेल स्पर्म फिमेल ओव्हरीजमध्ये जे काय ओव्हा आणि मेल गॅमेट असते त्याचे फ्युजन होते किंवा युनियन होतात इट इज कॉल्ड एज fertilization. In primary sex organ of ovary, it consists ovum. Okay, ovum is a female gamete. It is produced in the ovary by the oogenesis. Oogenesis means the formation of ovas. It is called as oogenesis. It is roughly spherical non-motile structures of ovum. It is covered by vital membrane, zona pellucida, and cell of the cumulus ophorus and corona radiata. Okay, so this is the ovum, female gametes. So next is the sperm. Sperm is a male gamete. It is produced in the testis by spermatogenesis. Formation of sperm, it is called as spermatogenesis. Formation of ova, it is called as oogenesis. So this is the definitions. So it is microscopically is a motile structure. It consists of head, neck, middle piece, and elongated tails. Okay, so this is the structure. What is meant by ovum? What is meant by sperms? So this is the what is meant by fertilization. Gametes means the ovum and sperms. Okay. So next, how to process of fertilization? What is the process of fertilization? Fertilization कसं होतं आहे त्याच्या प्रोसेसेस काय? What are the steps involved in the process of fertilization involves following steps. Number 1, transport of sperm. Number 2, capacitation. Number 3, ovulation. Number 4, penetration of the ovum by sperm. Number 5, it is a formation of pronuclei, and number 6 is syngamy. So these 6 steps formation of or process of fertilizations. One by one we have to discuss it. First of all, transport of sperm. The sperm deposited in the female genital organs either by natural service or artificial inseminations are transported to the site of fertilization ampulla by both sperm motility and contraction of the female genital tracts. Okay, so last class you were discussing about the genital organs of female ovaries, vagina, uterus. Okay, discussion. So like that, so what is the site? It is a natural service or artificial insemination transported to the ampulla. Ampulla, it is a part of fallopian tubes. Okay, so motile sperm, contraction, and female genital tracts. So next, second one is capacitation. When the sperms are exposed in the female reproductive tract for 4 to 6 hours, they attain the capacity to penetrate and fertilize the ovum. Okay, after transportation of sperm, they capacity tract of the 4 to 6 hours, and they attain capacity to penetrate and fertilize the ovum. It is called as capacitation. So this process of preparing for sperm for fertilization, it is called as capacitation. The process of preparing of sperm for fertilization, it is known as a capacitation. म्हणजे स्पर्मला प्रिपेअर तयार करण्यासाठी जी प्रोसेस असते त्या प्रोसेसला आपण काय म्हणतो कॅपॅसिटेशन. ओके. Third one is ovulation. Under the effect of LH means luteinizing hormone, the mature Graafian follicles from ovary rupture and then ovum is released. ज्यावेळेस मॅच्युअर ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स असतात किंवा सेल्स असतात त्या रप्चर होतात आणि ओव्हम इज रिलीज. सो दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ रिलीज ऑफ ओव्हा इज कॉल्ड एज ओव्हुलेशन. द रिलीज ऑफ ओव्हा मीन्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिलीज ऑफ ओव्हा इट इज कॉल्ड एज ओव्हुलेशन. Ovulation usually takes place about 8 hours after the end of the estrus in cows. Then released ovum is immediately picked up by infundibulum and reaches the ampulla. Another 6 hours infundibulum. It is a part of the fallopian tubes, isthmus, infundibulum, and ampulla. So these 3 parts including into the fallopian tubes. So most important, the sperm remains viable for 24 hours in female genital tracts, whereas ovum remains fertile for only 10 hours after the ovulation. म्हणजे लक्षात करा 24 hours in the female genital tracts sperm remain. Ovum remains fertile for only 10 hours after ovulation. म्हणजे 10 तास ओव्युलेशन होऊ शकतं. Okay, fourth one is penetration of the ovum by sperm. The sperm head contain hyaluronized enzymes. Spermचं structure मध्ये head, tail and acronym, these are the structure of the sperm. So next slide you can see, I will show the photos. So head contain hyaluronized enzymes that breaks the cumulus operus of the ovum, the cells, and the sperm reaches to the zona pellucida, and the sperm also carries enzyme is called as xylosine or acrosin. So which break the zona pellucida and allow to sperm to reach the perivitellin space. After entry of first sperm, zona pellucida become unresponsive to the other sperms is called as zona reactions, and the sperm head then passes through the vitelline and loses its tail, and when sperm contacts with the vitelline membrane and there is a reaction with the membrane which make it unresponsive to other sperm, it is called as vitelline block. Okay, so this process is most important. How to penetrate the sperm ovum by the sperm ovum मध्ये penetrate कसे होते, this is the procedure for this. Okay, next is formation of pronuclei. Formation of pronuclei means the penetration of the ovum by sperm. एकदा ओव्हम मध्ये स्पर्म गेल्यानंतर इट ॲक्टिव्हिटेज एग्स ओव्हा टू कम्प्लीट द सेकंड रिडक्शन डिव्हिजन. म्हणजे सेकंड रिडक्शन डिव्हिजन म्हणजे फर्स्ट सेकंड एकाचे चार, चाराचे दोन असे दोन, एक सेकंड डिव्हिजन रिडक्शन. अँड दिस रिझल्ट इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेकंड पोलर बॉडी अँड फिमेल प्रोन्युक्लियस. The sperm head consisting nuclei is considered as male pronuclei and female pronuclei. So this formed by the single division or reduction of division होते. म्हणजे चार सेलमधून एक सेल तयार होते. इट इज कॉल्ड एज फिमेल प्रोन्युक्लिया अँड द स्पर्म हेड कन्सिस्टिंग न्यूक्लिया इट इज कॉल्ड एज मेल प्रोन्युक्लिया. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोन्युक्लिया. So syngamy, the male and female pronuclei fuse together form a one cell. So this process of fusion of male and female pronuclei it is called as syngamy. म्हणजे male pronucleus and female pronucleus it is fusion together and they form to the one cell. So this process is called as syngamy. Okay, so look at this picture, how to passes sperm into the ovum. So this most important the part of the acrosome nuclear neck, the sperm. This is the vitelline membrane, jelly coats. You can see carefully this figure. So what are the site of fertilization? You can see this figure. So this is the ovary, then egg, then formation of zygote, then fertilization takes place. Okay, ovum मध्ये fertilization pump झाल्यानंतर fertilization होतो. This is the fallopian tube आहे, then zygote, then fallopian tube, then blastocell. This cell it is converted into, and then implantation. So you can this site of fertilization. Firstly, the ovaries form ova, then form into the fallopian tube, and then sperm it contact with the sperm. They form the fertilization and they form a zygote, and they pass to the fallopian tubes and then into the uterus, and uterus is the pouch. They develop to the ovum or embryo for this process next. So okay, you can see the structure of ovum. So like this is the ovum, corona radiata, this is the zona pellucida, this is the vitelline membrane, this is ooplasm, this is the nucleus, and this is the polar body. Now you can see the structure of sperm. This is the head, neck, middle piece and tails. So this is the structure of ovum and the sperm. So look at these pictures. Also fallopian cells, radiata, cytoplasm. So this is the vital membrane, zona pellucida, and this is the nucleus. So this is structure, and this is the sperm structures: acrosome, head, neck, and tails. Thank you for this listening video. Any doubt? Yeah.